Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Tesla Model 3 window trim. First, let's prepare. You will need a set of non-marring plastic pry tools, typically a 6-piece kit, to prevent any damage to your vehicle's paint or the trim itself. Make sure your car is clean and parked on a flat surface for easy access and safety. To remove the upper window trim, start by opening the door. Locate the rear end of the trim piece. Carefully insert a plastic pry tool beneath the trim and gently lift to release the first clip. Continue this process, moving slowly along the trim's length, prying upwards to disengage each clip. Remember to be gentle to avoid bending the plastic. Next, for the lower window trim, you can often begin at either the front or rear. Insert your plastic pry tool and carefully lift the trim from its seated groove. Some lower trims might not have clips, relying on a groove and light adhesive. A gentle wiggle while pulling can help release it smoothly. Always work with care to prevent bending the trim. Once the trim is removed, clean the area thoroughly, removing any old adhesive or debris. Inspect both the trim and its clips for damage before reinstallation. To reinstall, align the trim with its original position, then firmly press it down until all clips engage. Finally, test your windows by rolling them up and down several times to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.